Happy Friday, South Georgia. It is going to be a fantastic day. It is cold this morning. You will need a jacket, coat, but you get to shed those layers real quick, and we're going to see a fair amount of sunshine. Now, what I have behind me is the water vapor loop. You can see there's a spin here coming across Southern California over towards the Four Corners. That's our next storm system. It's going to make for a very stormy and heavy rain event on our Sunday, early in the morning especially. Get ready to have your umbrellas out. Now, we will salvage the first part of the weekend, though. Saturday is looking mostly dry. Let's talk about our forecast this morning, though. Out the door again, 38 degrees. Some of the colder spots are in the mid-30s, some patchy frost out there. We'll see a lot of sunshine, I would say, from mid-morning to mid-afternoon. A few clouds coming back. We'll see temperatures getting into the 40s by 8 and into the 60s by lunchtime and into the low 70s. Winds will pick up a little bit out of the southwest, a warmer, more moist direction. So we're going to see some clouds tonight. Temperatures mild to cool from 63 to 56. Might need a light jacket as you head out this evening. And then tomorrow, not quite as cold, 53 degrees with winds that'll be light. So high pressure scooting away. We're watching our storm system evolve from the west, and that high kicks out, and we bring in some clouds. A sprinkle possible. Looks like most of it's going to stay to our south and west in the morning on Saturday, and most of the rain is staying in those directions too. So we've got this front sagging south and then low pressure dragging along the northern Gulf Coast. It's pretty much going to track right over top of us. So the rain showers will start to move on in Saturday night and Sunday. There will be some embedded thunder too. Anything south of this front will have the potential of turning strong as well. So we'll be watching that very carefully. So you can see that front is moving through our area early in the morning in Albany, but our southern communities will be involved with thunderstorms that could be strong through at least the mid-morning hours and maybe even the midday hours as well as this low tracks. But there will be heavy rain because this front is a slow mover. Low pressure slowing its progress southward, and so we will see the showers and even some thunderstorms linger at least through the afternoon and into the evening on our Sunday. And then on Monday, it's not over with the rain. Now, we will be on the chillier side of this storm system, but there's kind of an elongation of the trough at the surface, but also an upper level low that'll keep things unstable and keep things showery and chilly as we go at least into the first half of our Monday. So don't put the umbrella away and break out the jackets again after a brief warm-up. Now, we do have a lot of risks here, but they're all on the marginal side. 5% chance of damaging winds, 2% chance of an isolated tornado, 5% chance of large hail, and a 5% chance of flash flooding from 5 a.m. Sunday to 2 p.m. Again, it goes all the way up north towards Cordele and then in through Dawson and down into Blakely. But I would say that the southern half of this area is most likely to produce or experience one of these 5 things as opposed to the north and west locations. Looking ahead, mostly cloudy and warm on our Saturday. There is a 20% chance of a shower during the daylight hours, but I think most of Saturday will be dry, 53 to 79. Thunderstorms, heavy rain take over Saturday night into Sunday, 55 to 63. 60% chance of rain on Monday and chilly. Look at that. We'll be locked down in the 50s most of the day. And then Tuesday looks really, really terrific here. We go from a chilly 43, but respond to a milder and sun-filled 75. We'll talk all about it today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Hope to see you then.